Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maddie, and I'm here with another YouTube video. This ankle was terrible, but it's light down here. So guys, today's video is another different video. Last time you saw me in the car was when I got my hair cut, but this time I am going to be buying a Halloween costume from Goodwill. Well, not really buying a Halloween costume, making a Halloween costume out of only Goodwill clothes and like supplies and stuff. So one, I've never seen anyone do this and I don't know if it's gonna work or not because I've never done it before. And two, I know I'm over the age for trick-or-treating, but I'm gonna do something for my siblings. We're gonna like dress up and stuff and do like something for the family. So I need a costume. So I'm gonna go in Goodwill and I'm gonna find a costume and we are going to DIY this costume and we are gonna make it look like an actual costume. Right now I'm gonna go in there and the budget is like, I guess you could say like 20 bucks. So it's Goodwill, like how expensive can it be? Right now, we're at Goodwill and I'm going to be buying the stuff for the costume. I do not know what costume I'm looking for, anything. We're just gonna be creative here, like very, very creative. Like, I mean, like, we really have to put our thinking caps on for this one. If you guys are ready to come with me and let's go find clothing and stuff in Goodwill so we can make this Halloween costume. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I was gonna make like with this the Incredibles mom, but I cannot find any pants. I need red pants, and as you can see, there's no red pants. So off to the next idea. This won't work, so I'm gonna have to find something else to do. So all these clothes. I could be like a pajama party girl. Oh, Frozen. Jacket. So I found this. Not bad, and I need to find some groovy pants to go with it. So far I have the groovy shirt. I'm caught up on either to be a groovy person or to be a biker. I think the biker would be a lot of fun, but I love the groovy person. So I'm gonna keep looking and I'm gonna find either a biker's shirt or I'm going to find some groovy pants. I want the bell bottoms. All about the bell bottoms with these things. Okay guys, so I have two completely different looks. Like I have the biker with this chain and then I found this like rubber top to go with it and his shoes. Wow. Okay. But then first, I found this groovy stuff. Like these pants are so loose and this necklace to go with it and stuff. I'm gonna try them on and then we're gonna see how they look on me. And I want you guys to tell me in the comments which one looks better. So here we go. Ta-da! Okay, let me just begin with this is super tight, the pants. This is the rubber top I got. It doesn't look as shiny in person as it does on camera. This is the necklace I got to go with it. These are the pants. Here is the shoes. The shoes is the only thing I don't really like about it. The whole look looks pretty good. Later, I'll paint a tattoo on me, put dark makeup on, put some bandana or something in my hair, and I'll fit the look. This is look number one. So let's try on the groovy outfit. I parted my hair in the middle just for this. Ugliest outfit I've ever worn in my life. So we got the necklace going on, the groovies shirt, and then we've got the ugliest pair of pants I've ever seen in my life. That's just my outfit of the day. Got this. I would of course do my hair like an afro, like I would make it really like curly and stuff, or I'd probably just be best wearing a wig. This is just so ugly. I'm not gonna do this one because it's really ugly. I like the biker's outfit better. That was fun. This one's just so ugly. I feel like gross in it. That's how ugly it is. So we've got this hideous necklace, we've got this hideous shirt, and then we've got the terrible sucking pants ever. Oh, like what is this? Like, what do you guys think? Here is the groovy outfit. I think I'm gonna get the biker outfit because I feel like I can do a lot with this. I've made up my mind. I'm going to get the biker outfit and then we're gonna go home and design it. We're gonna make it look really cool. We're gonna make it look really cool and really like a Halloween costume. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm back from Goodwill and here is the stuff. Yes, it's the day later because I'm super white and I went swimming and all my tanning stuff fell off, so I'm natural. But that's okay because we are about to throw on a ton of makeup, so I'm fresh for the Halloween makeup. We've got the shirt, the it's like rubber, like what's the word? Like, I don't know, like leather. I keep saying rubber. Leather. We've got our leather pants. They are super shiny. Oh my gosh. These are like so shiny. I love them. And guys, let me just say, I just spent $8 for my Halloween costume. $8. $8! If I can get this to work, then I will be literally so happy. So I'm gonna start off with the makeup so I can really fit the look. I am going to be doing a really dark makeup look so I can match the biker slash goth slash whatever you want to call it. Oh my gosh, if I should have looked for a leather jacket. Went against the whole Goodwill idea, and it could have been like the south side from Riverdale. I could have put like one of those stamp things but on the back of it, and it could have been a leather jacket and I could be one of the south siders of Riverdale. You guys know I love Riverdale. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get on with this makeup. Now that I've done my foundation, I look like a ghost. I'm gonna be adding some color to my face and I'm gonna be putting some bronzer on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna do a little bit on the top of my forehead because it's big and people notice it when it's wider. I shape in the face. Now I'm going to be doing my brows. You have to really like hurt your eyebrows to get this thing to work, but at the end of the day, whoa, way too much. Okay, so I think I got them under control. They're still super dark than they usually are, but this is okay because this is gonna be a really dark look. I found like this color palette. We're gonna use it and we are going to use the blackest color here. And I added some gray on top to kind of like even it out instead of just black raccoon eyes. Wait, do raccoons have black circles around their eyes or white circles around their eyes? Now I'm going to put some eyeliner on my eyes to make them look like they're not just punched in black. This is dark makeup I don't like. And then I think I might paint a tattoo onto my arm so it can really look good with the leather and make it really give it that biker look. Now that I've got my makeup done, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the clothes and then I'm going to paint a tattoo onto my arm. Okay guys, so I am in the outfit, my rubber shirt, like leather shirt, and then I've got the rubber pants on. This outfit is a lot of fun to me because I never get to wear this kind of stuff. I'm trying to decide if I should have my tattoo on this side or this side. I think I'm gonna do this side. I am going to do a tattoo here. I think I'm gonna write like something like a heart or something, maybe like a heart. I don't know, I'm gonna do it with this because I don't have anything else with me right now. Okay, so that's the outlining of a heart, right? Okay, so I'm gonna try tracing the heart. I don't know. So now, before the sun goes down, and I'm going to go and I'm gonna show you guys the final look with my makeup and everything, and my tattoo and my jewelry. So I will see you guys in the final look. What did you guys think of this video? Please comment down below. Do you guys like this Halloween look? I know it's not a character from a movie. We still have some time until Halloween, guys. So if you guys would like me to do another one of these videos, I can do like a Walmart Halloween DIY, a Goodwill, a Salvation Army. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another video of this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to become a sibling sub club. We have 4.3. We have 4.3 of you guys, so go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!